So I saw a commercial for ghost pepper chicken nuggets from Burger King. And I'm not afraid of hot food at all. And I made some pretty spicy food on here, like the chicken wings, when I made the hot sauce, mostly from Tapatio. I remember watching Rhett and Link first try a ghost pepper, and I was like, wow, that must be really hot. And then I've been watching the Hot Ones episodes where you're getting challenged with spicier and spicier wings. And I'm thinking, you know what? I wonder how I would handle such a challenge. Spicier and spicier wings. So I'm wondering, and the ghost pepper is one of those peppers they use on that challenge in one of those sauces. I'm sure they have ghost peppers, maybe in the Carolina Reaper. And I remember watching Rhett and Link take a ghost pepper, and then they needed ice cream. If you look at me, you see, I've got no ice cream. I've got no water. I think I can handle it. Plus, this is from Burger King. They're not gonna make these extremely hot, spicy chicken nugget that people need to have ice cream and other things for. It's a lawsuit waiting to happen. I'm not sure they're gonna try and sell something that hot. So, to go with it, I got the honey mustard sauce and we got the zesty sauce. That's not the hottest one they might have to include it. So we're gonna see exactly how hot these are. Now, like I said, I'm not a foreigner to spicy food. I've been to China. Specifically, I've been to the Sichuan province. Well, as we call it here, Szechuan. I've had food directly in Sichuan before, and it is spicy. It is good. It's good spicy. Whereas, I've also been to some cities in there, Chongqing, which once there I got one of their, it was a ramen soup bowl, basically. You put in the ramen, you put in the water, you put in the spices, and oh my, that was really hot. I couldn't stand that. That was really hot. So, I know what spicy food can be like. I even cooked some other spicy food, like a tandoori chicken that actually was spicy and I would have liked to have made it. I've since toned down my spices using that, but it was really spicy the first time. Almost had trouble eating it. It was so spicy. So we're gonna take a look at these Burger King chicken nuggets and see how they compare to some of the spicier food that I have eaten. So we're just gonna try it plain, without any sauce to start with. Another thing I want to mention, when I first got these and bring them home in the car, it smelled like death. Now, I don't mean death as in they're gonna make it really spicy, it's gonna kill my palate and it's gonna be torture for these 8 nuggets, but I mean, there's a good tasting spice, like the stuff from Sichuan. Oh, that spice is very tasty. Even though it's spicy and burns your mouth, you just enjoy the flavor. And then there's bad tasting spice. There's one in Taco Bell. I can't remember which of the hot sauces they have. I think it might be Diablo. I've had that one. It's just spicy to be spicy. Terrible. So I'm thinking spicy just for the spicy sake. It's gonna taste terrible. Let's take a look. So here it is. The ghost pepper chicken nuggets. So let's try one, shall we? You always see on these shows where they say, well, that's not spicy, and then it hits them later. So this one is a burning down your throat type of spicy spice. Some of them burn your mouth, like the lips of your mouth and cheeks and stuff. This one burns your throat. That wasn't that bad. Not enough to make you run for ice cream. I'm afraid it wasn't that bad tasting either. It wasn't like it was spicy just to be spicy. It has some good flavor to it. Do I like it better than regular chicken nuggets? I don't really like chicken nuggets that well. So yeah, and I like spicy food, so if I'm gonna have a chicken nugget, I'd rather have one of these. Are they spicy? Yeah, they're spicy. Let's see. If you go on Taco Bell, not the Diablo, their fire one, like the one below their hottest, probably similar to that spicy. I wouldn't call these ghost pepper spicy. Certainly wouldn't go running for ice cream after eating one of these. Honey mustard is one of my favorite sauces, so let's see, this one enhance the flavor. They can choose whatever sauce you want to go on them. That's a good balance. A little bit more sweetness. Yeah, spicy wise, if you're thinking you're gonna get the ghost pepper level of spicy from eating Burger King's chicken nugget, you're gonna be highly disappointed. Let's try the zesty sauce. But before we do, let's smell one of these. Does it really smell like death? Smells about the same as I smell in the car. It's spicy. Is it grab the ice cream spicy? No. Am I sweating? Do I look like it's hot? No. Hot and zesty is disappointing. It tastes like a tartar sauce. No. No. Honey mustard's good though. But I will say, if you follow my recipe for my hot wings using the tapatio for the buffalo sauce, that's more spicy than this. But I will say, it's a different spicy. This is the burning down your throat, whereas the tapatio sauce, it's kind of a burning your whole mouth burning. So it's a different spicy. Now they had some extra sauce for you to dip these in. You know, as you get your nuggets, that extra sauce, it'll be fun. Would I get these again? If I like chicken nuggets, I would get them again because I like spicy food. But these aren't bad. $1.49, 8 nuggets, not bad. Certainly not as spicy as the commercial makes it out to be, but they're not bad. And they do have a kick.